We have a very beautiful setup right here on GBPUSD, presenting us an opportunity of a 1 to 22 risk to reward ratio. All right, so make sure you watch to the very end as I show you everything I'm looking at right now. So you can clearly see that we have a nice QML. We had a low, we had a high, and broke up structure to the upside. And then also we had liquidity, which was being left right here. And then also I'm anticipating the Asian session to be created. And then the market should take out the low and the high of the Asian session, then come into my POI right here, which is a 5 pips stop loss, and the target is about a 112 pips target right there. All right, so let me show you what is happening on the higher time frame. So if you go to the 4-hour time frame, let me show you the market is clearly bullish and has been putting up higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows right there. And then if you come to the 1-hour time frame, you're typically having the same thing. So we had a period of consolidation and we had a market push to the upside with big momentum candles. And whenever that happens, the market usually leaves behind big order blocks, and all you have to do is just simply go to the lower time frame and actually find it. So you can clearly see that we had this nice push to the upside. So if you go to the 15 minutes time frame, it's basically the same thing. We have this QML with this high, a low, break of structure right there with big momentum candle. So once the market pulls back into this area, I'll be able to make a decision whether to actually buy or not buy, depending on how the market is going to approach this level right here. You don't just buy randomly, you wait for specific signals to actually be able to take a particular trade. This trade looks really amazing. We're trading in an over direction of the market, which is bullish. And then we have a very nice setup right here. And then all you have to do is just simply wait and see what the market does. That's all. All right, so this has already been shared in our private community. It's as simple as this. And once the market comes to our zone, I'll be able to actually execute this particular trade. It looks really amazing. What I do is I set alerts. I don't set pending orders. So once the market comes here, I'll make a decision, a conscious decision whether to buy or not. All right, so don't miss out. If you are looking at this video, make sure you check the links down in the description if you'd like to be part of our community, so that you get to take the same trades that I take and get the same result as I do. All right, so you guys, I hope you found value. Until next time, goodbye.